Whiteness, whiter, whiteist. La 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 la.
That was a squirrel for you.
La 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 la.
You ready to record?
It's already on recording. I've been recording for the past 20 seconds.
Well, record the fight, not bullshit.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey now. Who?
Well, not a fight, wrestle.
They're recording bullshit. They want me to record bullshit.
Fuck yeah.
You have no shirt on.
Mikey, come here. You need some of this first.
Take it. Smoke it. Squirrel! Take it. Come here, come here.
Don't get me on camera.
No, 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 come here. I'm gonna give you the full fucking commentary that I give. It's fucking epic.
Yeah.
I gave this epic ass commentary on him and Ziggy fighting. It's great.
Just give them their space.
No, dude, I'll get right up in it and be like, look at this face. Look at this face. This is what they call nuts to the face. Oh, dude, he picked up Ziggy and Ziggy's head was like right there on his nuts. Just,
Yeah, I had him like this.
Nice.
and just dropped.
Alright, hey. Camera on us.
Camera on us like white people. Slut monkeys. Oh, they play in the dirt. They're like little kids. Oh no, that's a rape fest. That was one fight.
That was round one.
Round one. Ready for round two?
Hold on. Cancel it. It's gonna be 2 vids. 2 vids.
Dude, I can record the whole thing. I have until the ending of my memory space on my iPhone to record. Just like 3 hours and 20 minutes. I have like 8 gigs left still, so I can record this all I want. Look at these abs. Look at these abs. Look at these abs. These abs. And then white people.
Rachel, this one's for you. This motherfucker's for Whitney. Come on, motherfucker.
And this is what people do in their off time. Do it, do
Damn, look at
it,
your eye.
do
Hey,
it.
hang on. Face shot, face shot. Look at his eye. Hey. You're revving up, man. You're revving up. Hell yeah. Back up.
Man, this is worse than 10 people in a parking lot. They're giving each other hugs. Hugs and kisses.
Damn.
He's used to wrestling with me when I'm fucking speedy as fucking quick. When I'm not like blown out of my mind and I'm not drunk. So it works.
Damn.
Which, by the way, I've only been drunk once, so it all works. I'm Lizard, Dizzy, Jackhammer.
Round 3? Round 3.
Stay still, fuckers.
What are you doing?
Giving that air, that look that I edited it by spinning.
Squirrel.
This is what you do with an iPhone.
You ready? Whenever you are.
It's sex.
Damn.